Greetings, fellow human beings and others who might be watching. This is Henrietta, my latest puppet. She is a tabletop rod puppet meant for a puppetry improv troupe in Montreal, Canada. As you can see, she's very lively and happy to be alive. She is articulated in many places. She has a rod in the back of her head, a handle in her back, and rods in each elbow. The rest can be manipulated directly by multiple puppeteers. Very flexible. Her head is very adjustable. She can perform standing up or hunched over because she's got an elastic and a track, like you can see here. You can orient her head in different ways, different distances, to give her as much of the range of motion as possible. If you like this sort of thing and you would like to see more creatures like this, help me bring them into the world and bring more joy to audiences of all ages, including those who like wiggly tails and loincloths and scales and fangs and all sorts of fantasy attributes. Contact me, creaturist@gmail.com, to discuss possibilities. Thank you for watching. Are you watching something? Are you hunting right now, or? There's no birds. This is a low ceiling situation. You can't find a bird. You understand? I think she's very distracted right now. Can I go have a sandwich now? Yeah, you can have a piece if you want. I'll go get some. Thank you for your cooperation. You're saying goodbye, but I'm over here. Ah, okay now. You'll patiently wait for your sandwich. I'll go get it. You've been reading my mind this whole time.